there's more people, you know, out there that are like him.
We can't let them in here.
You know what? You need to go board up those windows. Because think about it, they're not even boarded up yet.
Well,
they could come in the window.
I'll go do that.
They can come in the window right now. They can break in the window.
That sounds great.
I'll just stay
that
here.
sounds great.
Cool.
Come on, man. We got some work to do.
Well, this one is done. We gotta do that one.
Alright, well, I got some more nails in the living room, so we'll just get that taken care of. I think he's in here, man. We gotta open the door.
Yeah, dude, he opened the door for me, man.